Well, there you have it, guys. A nice little look around the 65 been doing. I think it's coming pretty cool. Hope you guys like that. Hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, next step will be basically getting it to a new place. Got an engine lined up hopefully, so we're doing that in the coming months. Bit of wiring, bit of fuel tank in there, bleed the brakes, a few bits and pieces to do yet before this thing's even a runner or anything. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that one. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, and give us a like, give us a comment, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.